Please visit our playlists. Photoshop with t-shirt printing, Corel Draw with t-shirt printing, YouTube tips, film or video editing tutorials, cooking and salads, basic accounting tutorials, makeup tutorials, military news update, sorry, skincare, travel vlog, chess assassin playlist. Shout out to the following:
Bia, El Prisco, in this position, white to play and win. What if black king goes to b1, instead of pawn to a3, then black is lost as follows. If black king will goes to a3, and white king will come and help captures the pawn. Another scenario. Instead of pawn to a3, what if black moves pawn b2, still black is lost in the following order. If black king goes to b1 instead of b3, the same is lost for black. Let's now go back to the game. Knight to c1, check.
That is all for now, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.